Hello grade 9 students. I have compiled practice questions that will challenge your understanding. I encourage you to watch the video, try out the questions presented in the video, and then showcase your brilliance by sharing your answers in the comment section below. And don't forget to include your name and your father's name initial to personalize your responses, or for that extra touch of personalization, just include those two things. Without any further ado, let's dive in and conquer those challenges one question at a time. Question number 1. Given element X has an end electron configuration or an outer electron configuration of 5s2s, 4d10 sp2. Which of the following is true regarding this element? A. X is a p block element. B. X is a d block element. C. X is an electropositive element. D. X is metallic element. To which group and period of the periodic table does an element with an atomic number of 32 belong? Is it group 2b and period 2? Is it group 4a and period 4? C. Group 2a and period 2. D. Group 3a and period 2. Elements in the same group of the periodic table have the same what? Is it valence electrons, number of shells, nuclear charge, or atomic number? Question number 4. Among the following, the particle with the largest radius is it silicon plus 4, aluminum plus 3, magnesium plus 2, or sodium plus? Which of the following comes first in the classification of elements? A. Dobrynin's threads. B. Mendeleev periodic classification. C. Newland's law of octaves. D. Mayer's classification. Henry Moseley arranged elements in order of increasing their A. Is it atomic mass? B. Atomic number. C. Atomic radius. D. Atomic properties. Question number 7. To which period and group does an element with atomic number 33 belong? Is it period 3 and group 3a, B. period 5 and group 5a, C. period 6 and group 2a, D. period 4 and group 5a. Question number 8. Which of the following is correct order of electronegativities of the elements carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine? So here the order can be either increasing or decreasing. Okay, so is it A, B, C, or D? Which of the following properties increases down a group in the modern periodic table? A property that increases down a group. Is it metallic character, electronegativity, ionization energy, or electron affinity? In the notation 3D1, in this notation, what does 3, what does D, and what does 1 stand for? Is it subshell, then main energy level and number of electron? B. Main energy level, number of electron, and then subshell. C. Number of electrons, subshell, and main energy level. D. Main energy level, subshell, and number of electron. Question number 11. In which of the following blocks of the periodic table does an element with atomic number 14 located? Is it D, F, S, or D, P? Which of the following is true about an element with electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p, 5? A. Its electrons occupy 4 energy levels. B. It has an atomic number of 17. C. Its last electrons enter 3s sublevel. D. It has 5 valence electrons. So a certain element has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. To which group and block does this element belong in the periodic table? Is it 3b and p block? Is it 3b and f block? Is it 6a and p block? D. 4a and D block. Which statement describes the general trends in electronegativity and metallic properties of elements that are found in period 2? Elements starting from lithium to fluorine. When you order them in increasing atomic number, which of the following statement describes the general trends with respect to electronegativity and metallic properties? A. Electronegativity decreases while metallic properties increase. B. Electronegativity increases while metallic properties decrease. C. Both electronegativity and metallic properties decrease. D. Both electronegativity and metallic properties increase. An element is located in the third period and group 5 of the periodic table. Which of the following is true about this element? A. It's a metallic element. B. It has electron losing tendency. C. It forms a basic oxide. D. It forms a trivalent ion. Which element has the highest ionization energy? Is it carbon, beryllium, lithium, or boron? When an atom loses one or more electrons, this atom becomes a positive ion with a radius smaller than the radius of the atom, a negative ion with radius larger than the radius of the atom. C. Positive ion with a radius larger than the radius of the atom. D. Negative ion with a radius smaller than the radius of the atom. One of the following properties of an element that cannot be predicted from its position in the periodic table is: A. Is its relative size of the elements. B. Color of the element. Types of bond it can form. D. Nature of the oxide it forms. Selenium, whose atomic number is 34, has an electron configuration of this. And this element belongs to A. Is it period 4 and group 6b. B. Period 4 and group 4a. C. Period 6 and group 6a. D. Period 4 and group 6a. How many periods are there in the modern periodic table? Is it 7, 6, 18, or 8? Thank you for watching.